Audi SQ9 2026, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Nitro Garage, the home of the most powerful, most exclusive, and most breathtaking machines on the planet. Today we are talking about something truly special, something that rewrites every rule in the luxury performance SUV game, and that is the all-new 2026 Audi SQ9. This is not just a car. This is a statement. This is Audi saying to the entire world that they are done playing it safe, and they are here to dominate every road, every highway, and every heart that lays eyes on this absolute beast. The 2026 Audi SQ9 arrives as the most aggressive, most refined, and most technologically advanced SUV that Audi has ever produced. From the very first moment you see it, you know this machine means serious business. The exterior has been completely reimagined with a wider, more muscular stance that commands attention from every single angle. The massive RS-inspired honeycomb front grille sits front and center, flanked by razor-sharp matrix LED headlights with dynamic light signatures that make every other SUV on the road look ordinary. The matte paint options, the blacked-out trim, the carbon fiber body kit elements, the aggressive front splitter, and those stunning multi-spoke forged alloy wheels all combine together to create a visual presence that is simply impossible to ignore. Beneath that sculpted hood lives a powertrain that will absolutely take your breath away. The 2026 Audi SQ9 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, producing a savage 650 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, pushing through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. This monster of a machine launches from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, and that is in a full-size, 3-row luxury SUV. The 8-speed Tiptronic transmission delivers lightning-fast gear, changes whether you are cruising effortlessly on the motorway or pushing hard through winding mountain roads. Audi has also introduced new active sport suspension with dynamic air ride that reads the road surface thousands of times per second and adjusts automatically to keep every drive smooth, planted, and perfectly controlled. Step inside the 2026 Audi SQ9 and the experience becomes even more extraordinary. The cabin is a masterpiece of German engineering and luxury craftsmanship. A massive curved ultra-wide OLED screen dominates the entire dashboard, bringing together the driver display and infotainment system in one seamless flowing piece of technology. The flat-bottom RS sports steering wheel wrapped in premium perforated Nappa leather with carbon fiber paddle shifters sits perfectly in your hands. Every surface you touch is covered in the finest materials, from the deep quilted diamond-stitched Nappa leather sports seats with contrast stitching to the carbon fiber dashboard inserts, Alcantara headliner, and ambient LED lighting that flows throughout the entire cabin in a spectrum of colors you can personalize to match your mood. The 2026 SQ9 also brings Audi's most advanced driver assistance and connectivity technology ever seen in a production SUV. The new Audi AI Traffic Assist, predictive route guidance, and fully integrated head-up display with augmented reality navigation make every journey feel like something from the future. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system with 3D surround sound transforms the cabin into a private concert hall, and the panoramic sunroof floods the entire interior with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere that feels nothing short of spectacular. At Nitro Garage, we have seen a lot of incredible machines come through these doors, but the 2026 Audi SQ9 sits in a league of its own. It is the perfect fusion of raw performance, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising luxury all wrapped inside one of the most aggressive and beautiful body designs that Audi has ever created. If you loved today's video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Nitro Garage for more incredible content like this, and drop a comment below telling us what color you would choose for your 2026 Audi SQ9. We will see you in the next one.